You're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Manuel, and today I'm going to be taking on mathematics. And online mathematics, we're going to be treating a very simple problem, which is midpoint of a line. And first of all, what do you understand by a midpoint? Now, for instance, this is a line, and here is midpoint is the midpoint is the distance from here to the center of the line. That's the midpoint. Now, for you to be able to solve the midpoint of a line, you must first of all know the formula for solving it. And the formula is midpoint M is equal to x2 plus x1 all over 2, comma y2 plus y1 all over 2. So this is the formula for calculating midpoint of a line. Now let's take one example. Example 1. Example 1, it said find the coordinates of the midpoint of a line, joining the following pairs of points, and it gives us -2 and -5. 3, -6. This is the first question. And the second question is 3, 4 and -1, -2. So these are the questions. Now we start from number 1. Let's solve number 1. Okay, let's start from the first question. Now before you solve, you identify your x-axis and your y-axis. Now this is your x. This first figure, the first figure is your x1, your x1, and the second is your y1, your y1, and this first x2 and y2. So knowing your x1 and x2, you bring them down here. Your x1 is what? -2. Your x2 is what? Your x2 is equal to 3. And your y1 is equal to -5. And y2 is equal to -6. So now let's put in these figures into the formula. M is equal to the bracket, then our x2 is what? 3. So 3 plus our x2 is what? Our x1 is what? -2 all over 2. Then comma, and our y2 is what? Our y2 is -6 plus our y1. Our y1 is what? -5 all over 2. Now this is equal to the m is equal to m, which is our midpoint, is equal to 3 plus -2 plus minus is minus. So 3 minus 2 is 1 over 2. Then -6 plus -5 is -11 over 2. So these are formulas. So let's solve the second example. Now let's take the second question. And the second question says, find the coordinate of the midpoint of a line joining the following pairs of points. And the goal is simple. So these are the figures. 3, 4, and -1, -2. Still using the formula, our x1 is equal to 3. This is our x1. These are y1, these are x2, and these are y2. So now our x1 is 3, and our x2 is -1. Our y1 is equal to 4, and y2 equal to -2. So our midpoint is equal to x2 is what? -1 plus our x1, which is 3, all over 2. The 2, this 2 is from our formula. So our y1 is 4, and our y2 is -2, all over 2. So our midpoint will be equal to -1 plus 3 is 2, all over 2. And 4 plus -2, which is equal to 2, all over 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So these are answer. And is equal to 1 over 1. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.